So if you look on the passenger side, the pump is right there. And if you have a closer look, to the pump are connected two hoses. One of them comes from the water heater, the auxiliary water heater. The other hose goes further into the heater core. Usually if, let's say, you drive for 1 hour in the winter, you can get up to 30 minutes of heat inside the cabin. Now just to get more clearance, I'm going to remove this intake hose. So use a 7mm socket and release the hose clamp. Disconnect the PCV hose from the oil separator. And down there from the turbocharger side. And this hose will come out. Now before removing any hose, if you don't want to drain the coolant, which can be done from under the radiator, you've got a small nozzle down there, then you can use some lockable pliers and obstruct the hoses. And of course expect some coolant to come out, but it's not going to be that much. Now if you look closer down there, you can see there is actually a smaller hose which goes into the radiator. Let's remove this as well. And now let's remove the third hose. Okay, so I'm gonna try my magic tool to remove this hose clamp. Okay, looks like it works better. So at the end of the pump, we've got a connector, the 12-volt connector with a small cover. Okay, finally the pump is out. Now in order to test the pump, we've got here plus and minus. So I'm going to take some electricity from the battery, and when I connect the ground, the pump should work. Okay, as you can see, the pump doesn't work. Okay, so as you can see, we've got 12 volts to these terminals. So once I connect them here, the pump should work, but it doesn't, so this pump needs replacement. Alright, so as you can see, with the key in the second position, the computer delivers 12 volts to the pump, so nothing is wrong with the circuit. So the installation is quite simple. You just have to reconnect these hoses and the electric connector. You've got here the marks, plus and minus. Quite easy to install. Okay guys, that was a quick one. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.